Hola.
PSL Pulse Bafethu. I'm your host Ustosh, and this was Carling Knockout Cup Final. Orlando Pirates 1, Marumo Gallants 0. Ngiphethe Hlotman lami uBK lana mfowethu.
Hola.
Ngicela ungitshele igame yafana khibona kanjani?
Whatsoever ke Pirates Commission. I can run Madlanga Commission. Ene ole Pirates Commission.
Yeah.
So the only thing in the retletse mo ne re tlisitse evidence.
Yeah.
Obvious.
I'm sure it's the trophy presentation khona manje. I'm sure it's the trophy presentation khona manje.
Obvious.
It is.
Obvious. It is. What it is.
It is what it is. But mfethu ngicela singele game sizokuyihlephula kancane ne. First half Orlando Pirates did create a couple of chances but they couldn't convert. Mawubhekile, what was the problem?
No, we are too much excited. Re tlile mo tlo everything ne re tletse mo ne re tlile o tlo no dira evidence fela ya gore re tlile cup ne o le rona obvious. Pirates re number 1, re December, re January. Understand? Ke Pirates Commission.
Orlando Pirates Commission.
Commission.
Christmas, Orlando Pirates will be staying on top. The head of the table.
Yeah, obvious. Obviously, BK is the evidence leader. I was here to give evidence.
Thank you.
I was here representing Pagani. One way. There is no way. I'm super happy.
Baba wami, ngicela sivale but before sivala ngicela unikeze man of the match today.
Police.
Oshuna Police but man of the match mfethu.
Obvious. Nana, I was hoping or at least maybe Raifa Moremi.
Yeah.
Or man, Mara. So what happened for the Pirates?
What's important is Orlando Pirates won the cup.
Obvious.
Thank you mfethu.
Obana didn't interview sister today king. Kore Pirates I win black label. They don't drink black label whatever. Mara today.
Orlando Pirates won the cup final. Ayo! Tyler T.